Hello folks! Did you know why farmers cut young Java trees like this? It's called a grafting technique, which helps Java trees to grow faster and produce better fruit. Today, I'll show you a simple trick to graft a Java fruit tree at home using an easy technique. Now, here's what you'll need to do. In a separate pot, take 1 egg and add aloe vera gel and mix it well. Now take a small piece of carrot and insert to the edge of the Java branch. Place the branch in the center of the pot. Pour the nutrient mixture and cover it with well-draining soil. Then pour some amount of coke from the top. 1 month later you will see a well-grown Java branch. Once the plant is established, you can transplant it outdoors and water it thoroughly. With the right care, after 256 days, you could start bearing fresh fruits from your home garden. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.